Spencer.
Spencer.
Yeah.
England?
Yes.
All right. My wife's from England. Just gonna wait right here. Let me set up the ramp. Make that turn. Oh,
No, let me go. I'll go back a bit.
Got it?
Go back.
Yep. Come on back. Okay, come on forward. Go ahead.
Oops. No.
There you go. There you go.
Way.
From here. There you go. Try that.
No, they might expect maybe.
Go ahead.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
And when we get back, you guys are coming off last.
That's fine, yeah.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
She said that she can walk.
Oh, okay. All right.
We got eggs. Ooh. Right, video in this part. We are in the first class section of the boat. We've got moved to the first class section. So behind us is the main deck there. We've already got our cake already because someone who's serving us said, do you want a cake? So we've already got our key lime pie just there. We've already got our cake ready in case it all gets nicked. And we're in the posh part of the boat, which is me and my lovely wife in the posh part of the boat. Royalty. And we are now off. You could be in this YouTube video quite a lot there because you're sitting there. If I can or not. Sat that side, so you're alright. That side, but then you're away from the window, innit? Don't you want to be in my YouTube video? I can move the camera around that way. It's really funny, you sit bang in the middle, don't you?
6 lots of 8 tables. There's at least 50 of them on there, isn't there?
And that chap there was very helpful to us. His wife comes from Manchester. Very Carlos. He is. He's very helpful. He said like wait for dinner and then you can freely move. Well, look, there's a big bridge there.
The camera will work.
Probably will work in there. So you might get a reflection. I was trying to take pictures now. the bridge to go to St Armand Circle. And St Armand Circle is over that way. Across the bridge, and it's right in the middle. Okay. So St Armand Circle is in the corner over there. Sarasota is that way. St Armand's is over that way. See where those trees are? You can actually park up down there. We did park up down there by mistake. So if you want to sort of stop and take a nice picture of this little bit of the bay area, lakey type water, you can come down inside and it drives all the way back up the other side. What's that? Is that a bridge over troubled water?
No, I won't travel water, thank you.
No, we don't trouble water apparently. It's a bonus sing-along, everyone. Just sing. No, I've sing with the life jackets, so they're over there. But in fairness, it'll be a free fall for that life jacket.
Bridge named after John Ringling of the Ringling Brothers legendary circus film. The third bridge built connecting the keys with the mainland. Ringling built the first bridge and it was constructed of wood. And he used that bridge to develop his properties on Longboat, Lido, St. Armand's and Burkeen. This last bridge was completed in October of 2003. It cost $68 million.
Now officially under the bridge, and we're coming out into the next bit of water. I should research what this is before. I think this might be Sarasota Bay, I think. So the captain just said there's City Island over that way, somewhere that way, and then over that way was the art centre. Look at that white one in the middle of the two big buildings there. The art centre. See, the water looks choppy, but it's really smooth on it. It's really smooth. Oh, we're turning again. We're turning. Turning around, we're going back under the bridge. Everybody has been queuing up down the line back down there to get their food. You can see that nice I put on his shoulder. We've had waiter service. He's actually come up with a special order of chicken. He's come up with chips. We didn't know the chips were on the menu. Pauline's got chicken and chips. And Pauline's got, what have you got over there?
I've got chicken masala.
Chicken masala, a bit of rice.
A bit of rice and a bit of salmon.
And a bit of salmon.
It's 2 plates.
So that's nice, isn't it? And the cake's over there ready waiting as well. Because the key lime pie over there is almost gone.
Half a full.
It's almost gone.